Elephant Walk Restaurant and Chalet Accommodation is situated just 20 minutes from the city centre of Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Enjoy a hearty breakfast on the deck surrounded by indigenous gardens and wild bird life. The 60-seater restaurant serves world-class French-Belgian cuisine, also catering for functions and receptions. All ingredients are organic local produce, including the game venison and the black mussels for their famous Belgian mussel pot. Escape from the African sun in the country-style pub with a tall, cold cocktail. Meals can be ordered from the restaurant or from the pub meal menu. DSTV provides coverage of local and international sport. Four freestanding double ensuite chalets are nestled overlooking the gardens. Simply and tastefully furnished with TVs and kitchenettes, your comfort is assured. The chalets are available in single and king-size bed configuration. The farm shop delicatessen stocks a wide range of fine wines, preserves and fresh produce of the highest quality. Fresh organic artisan breads are baked daily for the deli and the restaurant. Feast your eyes on all the antiques and collectibles in Collector's Corner. Literally thousands of items from rustic to Victorian are waiting for you. Just minutes from the Elephant Walk, one has the choice of two local game reserves, the Seaview Game Park and the Krokakama Game Reserve. The world famous Addo Elephant National Park is only 1 hour drive. Local beaches are 5 minutes away, while the main Port Elizabeth beachfront is about 20 minutes drive. For more information, simply click the link below.